All right, here we go with an Intelligence for Your Life daily life hack. If you want to turn your mood around and feel happier within just 15 minutes, here's what you do. You pick a spot. There's plenty of them in here.
I was thinking about the same thing about my office.
Stop it.
I see a spot over there.
Pick a spot in your house.
You're going to read those books.
Pick a spot in your house or workspace and do some speed tidying up.
Yeah.
It could be your junk drawer, bathroom shelf, or your entire...
How many copies of your own book do you need?
According to Stanford University, a quick burst of motion coupled with a sense of accomplishment from creating a clutter-free space is going to kickstart the release of the feel-good brain chemical serotonin. So it's just 15 minutes of speed tidying.
Yeah, look, take those 15 minutes that you would have used to check social media, pick a spot in your office, in your house, and just deal with it. For me, sometimes I have this, I don't know about you, I have this pile of clothes that builds up on the side of my bed. It's like, the clothes that are not dirty enough for the hamper. Yeah. They're not clean enough to go back into the, or I haven't decided if they're clean enough to go back in the closet, and they just kind of sit on the floor, and sometimes I wear them, and sometimes they sit there for weeks. So every once in a while, I just go, okay, 15 minutes, and I put all my clothes away, and I feel so much better. My serotonin is up. I feel better about myself. I feel better walking into my room. It's easier to sleep. Yeah. I'm just it's a move.
See, whenever my wife says, "Hey, Pop, come join me. We're going to watch a Jennifer Lopez romantic comedy," I always say I have to clean up my studio. Right?
Yeah.
So if I clean it up,
then you don't have to watch Made in Manhattan.
Well, no. But if it's cleaned up, I always have to leave it messy.
Right.
Because if it's cleaned up, she walks in, it's clean. She goes, "Oh, you can watch the romantic comedy with me." See what I'm saying?
Yes. You want to keep it messy so that you can't be. You don't have to watch.
That's
Made
my
in Manhattan.
excuse for not cleaning anything up.
Okay. Made in Manhattan's a great movie. I'm just saying.
I have no idea what that is. I'm John Tesh. That's Gerard. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our daily life hacks.